She's a professor of English at the University of Hartford, but she's also, apart from being a fine poet, she's also an actress. She has participated in many festivals all over the world. It's a pleasure to have her with us.
Thank you. I am going to begin with a poem, Because We Are Poor. And I would want you to join me here. When I put my hand up, I want you to say, because we are poor. I write in the frame of African participatory poetry, where the audience and the poet do the poem together. So let me hear you. Because we are poor. Because we are poor, they rule, and we cannot talk. When we cry democracy, they go crazy and stuff our mouths with stolen ballots. We eat till we puke. Because we are poor, we fall for free and land on our butts empty-handed. Nothing free carries the spine. On floors we crawl and scratch the earth. Because we are poor, they always find new slaves to bring a babel of languages. New slaves with their shaped tongues. Shameless models for their new posters. Because we are poor, the houseboy loots and brings it home. A new chief with humble roots, close enough to steal on his own. He still smiles, enough. Because they made us poor. They woo us in our own garden, bringing color nuts of their guilt. But woman does not live by bread alone, but on every drop of ancestral blood, because we have never been poor.